Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to factor trinomials that have a greatest common factor. So let me show you what I mean. Let's say that we have 2x cubed plus 10x squared plus 12x. So I already showed you how to use the t-chart to factor these pretty easily, except this is not in standard form, because standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So first we have to get this into standard form. And there's a pretty simple way to do that. All of these have a common factor of 2x. So first, take out 2x from each term. So 2x cubed divided by 2x would be x squared. 10x squared divided by 2x would be a positive 5x. And 12x divided by 2x would be a positive 6. And lo and behold, now that is a quadratic equation that is in standard form, so we can use our t-chart. Remember, the left side of the t-chart is a times c, while the right side is b. So here, a times c would be 1 times 6, which is 6. And then b is 5. So we have to find two numbers that multiply to get 6 and add up to get 5. See, 6 and 1, but 6 plus 1 does not equal 5. See, there's 3 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So remember, we have our 2x in the front, can't forget that. Then we have our set of parentheses. The first terms are x, and the t-chart tells us that the other two terms are a positive 3 and a positive 2, so here we put plus 3 and plus 2. Now to check this, let me rewrite it up top. You can check this two ways. Either you can FOIL this first and then distribute the 2x, or distribute the 2x to the x plus 3 and then FOIL it. It doesn't really matter, because in multiplication you can switch anything around. It's still going to result in the same thing. 5 times 2 is 10. 2 times 5 is still 10. So it doesn't matter how you do it. The way I'm going to do it is by distributing this 2x first to the x plus 3. So if I distribute this, I will get 2x squared, and then 2x times 3 is 6x. And then we have x plus 2. And now we're going to FOIL. So 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. 2x squared times 2 is 4x squared. 6x times x is 6x squared. And then 6x times 2 is 12x. We combine our like terms, which are 4x squared and 6x squared. So we have 2x cubed plus 10x squared plus 12. And let me see if that was our original problem. Let's see, 2x squared plus 10x, 2x cubed plus 10x squared plus 12. Oops, this is supposed to be an x, because 6x times 2 is 12x. But yep, it matches our original problem. Let's see. We can probably do one more. Let's do negative 2x to the 6th power minus 4x to the 5th plus 96x to the 4th. So let's see, the lowest power is x to the 4th, so that means we can only take out x to the 4th. And then we can also take out a negative 2 from these, because that's also a common factor. So let's take out negative 2x to the 4th. Draw parentheses. So divide this by negative 2x to the 4th. That'll give us x squared. This will give us a positive 2x. And that will be a negative 48. And look, that's a trinomial that is in standard form, so we can go ahead and use our t-chart. Remember, left side is a times b, right, I keep doing that, a times c, right side is b. So 1 times negative 48 is negative 48, and then b is 2. So let's think of two numbers that multiply to get negative 48, but add to get 2. Let's see, 24 and 2, but that's obviously not going to work. There is 12 and 4. That's not gonna work either. And let's see, there's 8 and 6. That might work. But this is a negative 48, so one of those have to be negative. But this is a 2. Can't be negative 8, because negative 8 plus 6 would be a negative 2. So that means that the 6 is negative, because 8 minus 6 is 2. So remember that we took out that negative 2x to the 4th, and then put your parentheses. First terms are going to be x, and then the t-chart tells us the other terms are a positive 8 and a negative 6. So plus 8 minus 6. So this is our answer. Remember, you can check it by foiling this and then distributing that negative 2x to the 4th, or by distributing that negative 2x to the 4th to the first binomial and then foiling. But this is the correct answer. Let me check. Yeah, that's right. So you guys can just trust me. But yep, keep practicing and good luck. Hope this helped.